Hello, welcome back. So in this video, we'll learn how Magic School AI help us to create science lab. So first of all, sign into Magic School AI and go here for the option that says Science Labs. So this is gonna open again, it asking the grade, and for the sake of it, I'm using a ninth grade. So let's design a lab. So today I'm gonna think about a lab on the effect of acid rain. pH lab on the pH showing the effect of acid rain. So let's see what's gonna come up. I'm not gonna add anything additional, just like that. So here, objective, material needed, safety precaution, introduction, pH, procedure, data collection, everything, and it also provide you the standards. Okay. So if you look again, it will give you the title, objective, material, whatever is needed, everything. They are using the vinegar as an acid, okay? Instead of the acid rainwater, they're telling you to use the vinegar. And here the introduction, discuss the concept of pH, acid and base, explain what acid rain is, say set up how you're gonna do this, testing the pH and all that, then observation, what you're going to do for the data collection, analysis, and the reflection questions. Wow. And here the assessment also, and it also tell you the New York State standards. Wow, it's like a pretty good science lab. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. AI with Manpreet Kaur.